Oh, hi there. Welcome to Basil Boss. What I'm going to show you today is how to get some bountiful basil growing and keep it from going to seed. It's totally by accident that I know these things. I watched a few YouTube videos and I did some Googling, and so far so good. Over here is a bud. We don't want buds. We want to get rid of that because as soon as it goes to flower, the leaves don't taste as good. Also, I like lots of growth. I want to keep it growing, so I like to trick the plant into growing for as long as possible in the season. So I have enough pesto to last me the rest of the year. So what you see happening over here is we have a basil plant that wants to go to seed. And we don't want it to go to seed. We would like it to grow more leaves, grow taller, grow bushier. Now, the way you're going to do that is you're going to find the two largest leaves closest to the bud. So this is your bud. These are the two large leaves. Now, next to those two large leaves, you're going to see two tiny little leaves like this. So this is called a node. Now what you're going to do to remove the bud most easily and also to keep you from losing those little baby leaves is you're going to grab these two opposite leaves and then you'll feel the bud in there. You're going to move your fingertips kind of closest to this area right here, this stem, and then what you're going to do is you're going to roll it back and you'll hear a little snap. You've now completely gotten rid of the bud and you've kept your little baby leaves intact. But what happens after this is that these two little leaves will actually send out some branches and you're going to have this split happen and then more leaves growing from there. And this is how you get more branching happening within your basil plant. So those two mini leaves, they just shot off right here and created new stems.